Okay, then as root 2 is an irrational number, and from here we can say P and Q are co-prime, and if I am writing in terms of fraction and Q not equal to 0, so I can say this entire number as a rational number. P and Q are co-prime. P and Q are co-prime and Q not equal to 0, it is written over here. Then what we can say, root 2 means it is a irrational number, root 2. And what we can say, this entire number as a rational number. So therefore both the values are not equal, correct? So if irrational number, rational number, I can't equate. So therefore we can say, hence our assumption is wrong. Is wrong. What we have assumed here, that root 2 plus root 2 is a rational number, that we have assumed. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore it contradicts our result. Contradict our result. Hence we can say 2 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Hope you understand this video dear. Now the question will come finally, hence prove, let us write. Okay, now it looks nice. Now dear, in the same pattern, how many questions you are going to expect? So let me note it down. First you can expect the same question, 2 plus root 3. Here I have written 2 plus root 2. There you can expect 2 plus root 3 to prove that it is irrational number. 3 plus root 2 prove that irrational number. 3 plus root 5 prove that irrational number. 5 plus root 3 prove that irrational number. Sir, you have taught me how to prove 2 plus root 3. Now my question is that, suppose in your examination the question will come that sir 2 plus root 2 prove that irrational number. Then how you are going to solve? So don't worry, first you understand this concept, each and everything crystal clear. Same pattern we are going to apply for all other questions. Now see here, how I am going to solve. See, now in place of this root 2, what I am expecting here, 2 plus root 3. Suppose question will be there, then how I will solve. See here, I will simply rub this process. Each and everything remains same. What is changing? See here, 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So here they will provide, given root 3 is an irrational number. Again 2 plus root 3 is an rational number. We will assume and we will try to find it by the help of contradiction method. Here also 2 plus root 3, everything remains same. Here 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 whole square means a plus b whole square. Then what will be answer? A square plus root 3 whole square. Square under root cancel. Then what will be answer? Square under root cancel. I will get here 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Now 7 if I send right side, it will become minus 7. Next, minus, so I will write here 7. Here what will be answer? 7 cube square. Here 7 cube square. After that, up here clear? Now here I am dealing with root 3. Here it will be root 3, root 3, root 3. Here it will be root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3. Since root 3 is an irrational number, as already just mentioned, and P and Q are co-prime, Q not equal to 0, therefore irrational left side is irrational number, right hand side is rational number. It is not possible. Due to that, it contradicts our result. So finally, we can say 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Same process you can able to solve any type of question in the examination. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can drop your question in the chat box. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.